In this video, we'll see how this particular software is compatible with the VAT invoice, which is new rule launched by Saudi government. So right now, what we will do, we'll print some invoice, and on this invoice, the how bill is going to look like, I'll show you. So now we are clicking on the bill, payment, and settle. Once the bill is generated on the bill itself, you can see that the VAT number and the date of invoice, and there is options like the VAT amount, grand total, and here you can see the e-invoicing QR. If you scan this QR code with e-invoicing QR code application, which is available and launched by Saudi government, you will get the proper e-invoicing encrypted format text message of bill. Okay, so now what we will do, we'll scan this QR code with a QR code scanner which is launched by Saudi government. Here we can see that here is the e-invoicing QR code scanner by KSA, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Now we'll click on the icon. Now we'll scan the QR code which is printed on the bill. I'll click on scan this QR code. Now here you can see that this QR code is compatible with Zakat, tax and custom authority. You can see the TRN number and the seller name, TRN numbers, invoice date and time, invoice total with VAT and VAT total. So this software is totally compatible with the Saudi government, the new rules which is regulated by Saudi government. So if you want software, you can get in touch with us. The number is mentioned in description below. Hello. In this video, we'll understand how to use TMBill restaurant management platform in Arabic language. So right now, here you can see the menu details in English plus Arabic. Here the predefined text which is already mentioned in English. Right now we'll translate the entire software like it add customers, fresh, refresh, load menu completely into the Arabic. So first of all, we have to go into the setting options. Open the setting. In general setting, you will find at the bottom language. Select Arabic. Close the tab. Reload the menu. Once you reload the menu, you can find out here the all predefined text now translated into Arabic language. Here you can find out all reporting sections are also translated into Arabic language. This is how you can use the software in Arabic language. For more detail, you can contact us. The number is mentioned in description below. Thank you.